Hi everybody, this is Miss Desiree. I'm reaching out to all my students today. My son Kale is here. Say hi, Kale.
Hi.
And we are going to do an experiment called dancing rice. So what you need here is you need water, distilled vinegar, baking soda, rice, and a sort of food coloring is optional. He wants food coloring today. He is going to use red. And so we are going to start by pouring 1 cup of water into our see-through container. Kale, pour 1 cup of water into your see-through container. All right. And then we're going to sprinkle some rice in there. So grab some rice. We're going to see what happens. If anything, I don't know. We may not be doing. I'm winging it too, guys.
Look at them, they dancing.
They're not dancing yet. So see what happens is a lot of the rice floats to the bottom. You see the rice floating?
Yeah.
All right, Kale. Next, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So you take your teaspoon and you get out 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour it in and stir it up. And you can kind of see the rice is kind of starting to float to the top of the water. Okay, now we need to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This might be a little tricky, so hold your teaspoon up, hold it over. We might make a mess, and that's okay. And then you pour it in there. We might have to add a little bit more because I kind of keep making a mess. It's everywhere but in the jar. And now we're going to look and see what happens to the rice. It's kind of standing up and being silly. Let's add a little bit more. And look, it's dancing. Throw a little bit of your food color in there, Kale, and see what happens. Do you see the rice dancing all over the place? There it goes. That's a lot.
Oh my gosh, it's all turning red.
It's all turning red. We've got dancing food coloring and dancing rice. It's so pretty.
My turn.
And now you can ask and answer some questions at home, like what is density? Explain the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the rice is what makes it dance. And look at it go. Fun!